loving this space. Catch my wave, ride it free, where the ocean speaks to me. Catch my wave, don't let go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. The wind, it calls my name. The seas are wild, untamed flame. And I'm lost, but I'm found just the same. Them write their words of smoke and fire. Promises tall, but dreams retire. The wind, it howls, but carries light. Them write, but never fight. Them write under the night. Paper thin words, they float like kites. Then build a tower of glass and sand. It crumble quick like waves on land. The sun don't shine on borrowed time. Hear the rhythm echo deep. Truth awake while they still sleep. Them write, but never fight. Them write under the night. Paper thin words, they float like kites. Them write, but never fight. Them write under the night. Paper thin words, they float like kites. Whispers in the dust, they fade. Echoes of the games they play. Roots stand firm while leaves decay. Waves crash hard, but I won't unwind. Roots so deep they kiss the earth. Fire in my soul gives endless birth. Can't hold I, no they can't hold I. Chains may try, but I still fly. Can't hold I, no they can't hold I. I rise, I touch the sky. Darkness creeps, but I light my way. Night turns long, but I find the day. Shadows whisper they won't last. Strength in my heart is built to outlast. Truth stands tall like a mountain high. Falsehoods crumble, they can't defy. Can't hold I, no they can't hold I. Chains may try, but I still fly. Can't hold I, no they can't hold I. I rise, I touch the sky. Echoes of freedom, they call my name. Through wind and rain, it's all the same. Drums of justice beat in my chest. Never stop moving, I won't rest. slow like a river flow. Words whisper truth, but the mind don't know. Ink on the paper, it's alive, it glows. Feedy book, open your eye. Feedy book, don't let it lie. Feedy book, truth never shy. Feedy book, open your eye. Feedy book, don't let it lie. Feedy book, truth never shy. Let us dance like stars in the night. Wisdom hides in the black and white. Seek and find it, set your soul alive. Feel the bassline deep in your chest. Every word a drum beat, never let it rest. Echoes of the ancients, they know best. Feedy book, open your eyes. Feedy book, don't let it lie. Feedy book, truth never shy. Feedy book, open your eyes. Feedy book, don't let it lie. Feedy book, truth never shy. But the hands don't move. The sun shines, but it don't improve. Truth's a wave, but the tide won't rise. It's hiding deep beneath the sky. What's the use? Flog truth. Wrap it tight and let it loose. Mount truth, flog truth. What's the price? What's the use? Flog truth. Wrap it tight and let it loose. Whisper, but the wind stays still. Rivers run, but they won't refill. The truth's a drum, but no one plays. The beat just fades in endless haze. Who sold the truth and bought the lies? Who locked the truth behind disguise? Flog truth. What's the price? What's the use? Flog truth, flog truth. Wrap it tight and let it loose. Flog truth, flog truth. What's the price? What's the use? Flog truth, flog
African skies over the hills so wide. The drum beats heavy like the ocean tide. Roots run deep where the old trees hide. Fire the sacred, keep it alive. Fire the sacred, we survive. Fire the sacred, burning high.
Echoes dance in the misty air. Wisdom whispers, but they're unaware. The rhythm speaks if you dare to care. Hear the bassline talk, hear it grow. Feel the fire blaze, feel it flow. Fire the sacred, keep it alive. Fire the sacred, we survive. Fire the sacred, burning high. Ashes fall, but the roots won't die. Truth stands tall under Jah's eye. Through the smoke we still unify. The smoke it rises, the moon stands tall. Echoes of rhythm, they bounce off the wall. In the greenest of valleys, where shadows crawl, Gared of Ganja, he guards the flame. The whispering leaves, they call his name. Gared of Ganja, the root remains.
Morning light peaks, job breeze it flows under the mango tree where the wisdom grows. Ashes in the tray, stories in the smoke. I hear the herb call up, it ain't no joke. Herb call up, herb call up, lifting my spirit, never get stuck. Herb call up, herb call up, guiding my soul like a holy dove. Drums they chatter, bassline hums, echoes of Zion in my mind they come. Roots so deep, they touch the earth, every puff a reminder of rebirth. A rhythm divine, a sacred sign. Peace in the leaf, Jah's design. Herb call up, herb call up, lifting my spirit, never get stuck. Herb call up, guiding my soul like a holy dove. Raindrops fall on the tin rooftop, a melody plays in this reggae map. The herb speaks loud, no need to shout. Feel the love, that's what it's about.
to the open air. Roots and rhythm, the world we share. Find the balance, take the care. Herbs and harmony set me free. Breath of life in the leaves I see. Herbs and harmony endlessly healing the world. One root, one seed.
Tried to tie my wings with your heavy chains. You laugh in the storm, but your feet in the rain. Roots grow deep where the shadows crawl. The harder you push, the louder I call. Keep me down. close, don't hold the pain. Let it all wash away in the summer rain. Life to enjoy, not to destroy. Feel the rhythm, hear the joy. Life to enjoy, oh boy, oh boy. Every moment, every ploy. A bird song in the morning, it knows no end. A heart that's open, it will always mend. Roots grow deep where the spirit bends. The world is a canvas, let the colors blend. is ready. Path of the Jah, feel the rhythm already. Mountains echo with the lion's roar. A sea of clouds opens up the door. Truth is simple, but it shakes the core. Raindrops falling, they kiss my skin. Wash away where the pain has been. This is the start, not the end within. Path of the Jah, walk it slow, walk it steady. Path of the Jah, when your heart is ready. Path of the Jah, feel the rhythm already. Rise up in the morning, see the mist on the land. Sacred steam rolling like Jah's own hand. Whispers of the earth in the palm of the breeze. Roots grow deep where the spirit frees. Sacred steam, sacred dream, flowing through the cracks like a silver stream. Sacred steam, sacred dream. Life is more than what it seems. Hear the echoes in the valley, feel the heartbeat below. Drum and bass carry truth where the rivers flow. The sun paints the hills in a golden hue. Every leaf, every drop holds the ancient clue. Let it rise, let it roll, let it cleanse chanting in the rhythm of the roots and sky. Each note a step where the spirits fly. Sacred is the water, sacred is the flame. Everything we touch calls a sacred name. Started in the dust, no shoes, no plan. The seed in the cracks of the sidewalk, man. The sun it burned, but it helped me grow. Through the heat, through the rain, through the cold. You know, from the ground up we rise, we rise. Building dreams under open skies. From the ground up we grow, we grow. Roots deep down where the rivers flow. Brick by brick and stone by stone, carved my path with hands alone. No golden spoon, no velvet throne, just the rhythm of life and the beat of my own. Can you feel the earth, it hums? Can you hear the roots, they drum? A drum. Echoes of struggle in the bassline's groove. Every note a story, every step a move. We don't break, we bend like the tallest